Ndị be anyị ekeneni m unu n'ụbọchị nke taa. Anyị si na ya dịrị ndị Igbo na mma. Dịka o si dị, ihe a bụ Igbo Media ka anyị si wee na-ewetara unu ya bụ nnukwu ozi dị oke mkpa gbasịta maka ana Igbo and Igbo community and ihe na-ebe na Nigeria. Ya bụ ife ka anyị na-ewetara unu na Igbo Media. Dịka isi wee na-esola anyị, ọ bụ na nke a bụ ụbọchị izizi gị ị na-abịa n'ilu akwụkwọ na Igbo Media, kabaru ka you subscribe and turn on your notification ka ị miss any of our updates dịka anyị na-etikwu ya n'ilu akwụkwọ kwa mgbe. Dịka o si dị, o nwere ya wetara n'ụbọchị nke taa gbasịta maka ka ya bụ ife si ada and gbasịta maka ka ya bụ ife si akpọtụ n'ala Igbo. Biko mma achọ ka ige ya bụ ife. Ihe a bụ Biafran Prime Minister MAZI Ekpa. O nwere ife okwu n'ilu akwụkwọ mma achọ ka unu ga-esi ya bụ ife ọ na-adọrọpụrụ anyị ifu nche n'ilu akwụkwọ gbasịta maka ihe ndị a niile okwu. Alright, over to you, sir.
Ezeme, you are welcome. Sonny, you are welcome. Shedi Ejike, you are welcome. Vincent Jehu, you are welcome. King Ugo, you are welcome. King Ugo Don, I can see you. Gabriel Isaac, I can see you. Akam Madokeze, you're welcome. Victor Mbemena Onyenkem, you are welcome to this very live presentation. Aluku Nnabike, you're welcome. Vincent, you're welcome. Onyine Chuku Keke, you're welcome. Oh my goodness me. Albasi, you're welcome. Obiage Odageli Uchenna, I can see you. Jafet Perry, you're welcome. Arum Onwoka, you're welcome. Humbin Priest, I have already mentioned you. AFB Global, you are welcome. AFB Global Obonyochie, you are highly welcome. My own person. Prince Ifani Chuku, you are welcome. Sondalo, you are welcome. Okwi John, I can see you. Chiamamba. Oh my goodness me, the names keep coming thick and fast. Isaac Sonny, you're welcome. Vincent, you're welcome. The names are too many. Of course, I Abopi also immediately without further hesitation. Please, if I do not mention your name, I want you to continue making your comment. Keep dropping your comment. Once it attracts me, once it gets my attention, I will definitely bring it to the screen and of course acknowledge it. My wonderful people of Biafra, lovers of freedom, I bido this very broadcast immediately. As you all can see, we have come very, very late. This is not our normal time. It has taken us almost 2 hours extra before coming live this evening. So please let us begin without further hesitation. I want you to welcome every other person around you by making sure that you hit the like button and share button of this very presentation this evening. Wherever you're joining me from, we are live and direct on 2 different platforms. We are on YouTube, our sister channel, which is Biafra Unite TV, and of course, our sister Facebook page, which is Biafra Unite Official. Now, given the title of this, or should I say, going by the title of this very live presentation, which I have written, Breaking, Simon Ekpa officially quits politics in Finland. Those of you who always join our broadcast without even minding what the title is, I appreciate you so much. That shows how hardcore you are. Some people always like to read the title first, even though they know that this broadcast is coming from so platform, which they follow very well. They would like to read the title to be confirmed, to be sure if it is interesting, interesting for them to join. But those of you who don't read the title, once you see Biafra Unite notification, you know you must be there. I congratulate every one of you. So the title says, Breaking, Simon Ekpa officially quits politics in Finland to focus only on Biafra liberation. Have you started, feeling the vibe? Remember, I told you this is going to be the highest, the most emotional broadcast I've ever done. And I want you to start feeling the vibe from beginning. I want you to begin to feel the vibe from the beginning of this very broadcast. It says that the Prime Minister of the Biafra Republic Government in Exile, His Excellency Ekpa has officially quit politics in Finland in order for him to focus solely on Biafra liberation. Imaleni DOS criminal member, get them here. If you know any Igbo politician, get him here. If you know any Ohaneze Ndioshi na Ndiama, get him here. If you know the idiots, structure defenders, structure, get him or her here. Nicholas Ozamaka, thank you for joining us this evening. I can see you. Get them here. We have to discuss this evening. I want them here this evening. There is a very important discussion. So I will throw the platform open after my analysis, and I don't want to take time. I want to be very, very brief in order to allow Biafrans to make their own contribution, because this very matter this evening is a matter that concerns all Biafrans all over the world. Elizabeth, I can see you. You are highly welcome to the broadcast. Nnamdi, you are welcome too. As we continue, get them here. As you click the like button and share button, get them here. We have to discuss this evening. Something great has happened. Something very, very huge has happened, and we must talk about it. Now, without further ado, before we delve into the main matter which concerns all of us, which is the way our Prime Minister has finished politics in order to focus solely on Biafra restoration and liberation. That is our main matter this evening. That is going to be the main thing to discuss this evening. But before then, let me, because a lot of people, so many Biafrans are concerned. So many Biafrans have sent me this very video.
Please.
So many Biafrans have sent me this very video on our Biafra Unite WhatsApp, line, asking me, Odenanwa, is this thing real? Is this video real? Is it coming from Biafra government? And I have managed to respond to some of them, and I told them to do what? Not to pay attention to it, because it is a fake news. So those of you who have not been able to send the video to ask me if it's real, maybe you don't have our number, or you don't know how to do it. Those of you who have not been able to ask if the video is real, if the order is real, I want to use this opportunity, this very medium, to tell you the truth. First of all, let me play the video and then we move from there.
Attention. Yawo Igbo onye Igbo, ina na Igbo ofuma. Ino na Abia State, ino na Imo State, Enugu State, or Anambra State, or Ebonyi State. This announcement is for you. On 21 and 22 of October 2024, please, Aputabaliro, no inside your house with your family. Ask me why. Because that day, Biafra warriors now launch their armored cars. Biafra warriors now launch their armored cars. That day will sit at home. And the same day, and I launch Biafra flag, they will stand it. Now, Nigeria Army, IGBO, which you guys know. Now, no with your family, avoid the problem. Ila na yege video soon here now. ihe a bụ ihe na-abịa imenụ nkatakata na-abịa imenụ egwurukwa nsogbudo nkatakata na-abịa imenụ help ụmụ share ya this video so that ntị na-anụbeghị ka ọ nụrụ ya. Please help me to save soul. God will bless you if you do this. Nsogbudo on 21 and 22 n'ọnụ ụlọ with your family.
Now, I don't have to continue playing the video. I'm sure most of you must have seen it. If you look at the video, if you look at the two videos playing below, which he, talked about, he said, you see these videos playing here, that this is what is coming to happen on the, he said 20, 21 or 22, I don't even understand, 21. Now, this very man, I don't know who he is. First of all, I want to let Biafrans understand that, listen, on this social media, space, on this social media space that we all have found ourselves, it takes a lot. I want you to pay attention. It takes a lot. It takes a lot. It really takes a lot for someone to make a headway on social media. Pay attention. Social media is very, very big. The space is too large that can contain every human being on the planet. Listen to me very, very attentively. The social media is very huge, it's massive, it's gigantic, that has the capacity to contain every human being on earth. But for you to make it on this social media, for you to blow on social media, for you to be recognized on social media, for you to be followed massively on social media, it takes a lot. It takes enormous work. Enormous work. Don't think because social media is big, that has space for everybody, therefore whatever you do, then you blow. No, it's not like that. It takes enormous, you have to do something extraordinary for you to blow, for people to pay attention to you, for people to listen to you, for people to follow you, for people to recognize you, for people to believe in you, for people to pay attention to whatever you are doing. You need to do a lot. It takes so much. So, and anybody who is coming on social media, who is serious to come on social media to get prominence on social media, they always know that it is not an easy thing. It's not an easy task. Therefore, everybody wants to do something different, something that that can hit the airwaves, and everybody will start talking about it. And when you are talking about what they do, you are equally talking about the person in question who has done that you are talking about. So anybody who has dream of working on social media knows this. What I have said now, everybody who wants to be on social media, who wants to be known on social media, knows this. So they will come out with any kind of news, whether fake or real, in order for them to gain prominence. That is how it works. Now, this idiot who is on your screen, who is talking about 21st October sit at home, is telling you about video that is playing on below his video. And guess what? The video he's talking about is video of Biafra Liberation Army, the one on your right hand side. As you can see, one of our commanders there. As you can see, one of our commanders, the one on your right hand side. And this idiot talking about Biafra warriors launching, armor tanks. He is using the video, our own video, the video of our own Biafra Liberation Army under the Biafra Republic government in exile. And he is telling you how they are coming, Biafra warriors. He did not even mention Biafra Liberation Army. He is telling you how Biafra warriors are coming to launch Biafra armor tanks and host Biafran flag while using our own Biafra Liberation Army. How does that work? How can you, how do you bring these two things together? This is how you know saboteurs. This is how you know desperate people. This is how you know those who want to do something for their name to be heard, but they don't know where to start. Desperate people. Now, the idiot who is talking, giving instruction on 21st, who sent him? It is in the open. The whole world is aware that Biafra land is being controlled by the Biafra government, led by the Prime Minister MAZI Samoneta. The whole world is aware of it. Every Biafran is aware of it. And this idiot coming here, giving instruction on 21st is sit at home. By who? And to make the matter worse, he's using the video of Biafra Liberation Army. No be juju be that. So I'm not going to dwell here. Everybody must disregard, disassociate anything diss it to this idiot. We don't know him. He does not exist. I don't know who sent him. Whatever he said here does not have any effect either in Biafra land or on Biafran people, because it is not coming from the appropriate quarters. It is not coming from the right, source. So disregard it, discard it, disassociate yourself from it. It does not happen. Nothing like this, and it will never happen. If anything will happen, you will first of all hear it from the platform of the Prime Minister of BLGIE, and then we all in the media will now spread the news. If you don't hear it from in case you are not online, you are not on X, you don't use X account, and you don't know about our Prime Minister's account, then but you are on YouTube, you are on Facebook, you did not hear such news from Biafra Unite platform. You did not hear that from Raf Ajer. You did not hear that from Adadolam. You did not hear that from Mazugo or any other Biafran BLGIE media warrior. Then I want you to know that it is fake news. It is not from Biafra government. So we move. This one is not going to take our time. Now, let us delve into this, the main matter that has brought us here this very evening. Let's move into the main segment, the main matter that has brought us here this evening. Can you hear my voice before we continue? Please let me know in the comment section if my voice is coming out loud and clear, because now we are moving into the main matter. Is my voice loud and clear? Please, wherever you are listening from, on your Facebook or YouTube, can you hear my voice loud and clear? Let me know, please, if my voice is coming out clear so that we can proceed, because right now we are about to do something very, very important. Let me know. Now, the first information that came from the official and verified X account of the Prime Minister of the BLGIE, His Excellency Ekpa Simon Njoko, is this. He said, breaking, breaking, I have decided not to take part in the coming election and focus on Biafra liberation. I have decided not to take part in the coming election and focus on Biafra liberation. I have served my people, community, and region since 2012. My people, since 2012. 2012 to 2024. That makes how many years? That gives you 10, am I correct? 12 good years. That gives you 12 good years. The Prime Minister of BLGIE has been in politics in Finland. I want you to follow me because on Webem Naga. For 12 good years, His Excellency has been in politics in Finland, serving the Finnish people with diligence. With diligence. He's been a public servant of the Finnish people for 12 good years. And he is not just a party member. I want you to pay attention because I'm taking you somewhere. I will show you so many things, in the course of this very broadcast. I will show you a lot of things. A lot of things. So he is not just a party member, but he has held various public offices. Various public offices. That's why he is not a novice in leadership. Pay attention. MAZI Simon Ekpa is not a novice in leadership because he has been in leadership position for the past 12 good years as an official politician. I'm not talking about what he was doing before. Of course, he used to be an athlete. He used to be an athlete. And he's also a leader as an athlete. He has won medals with evidence. So he's been a leader right from birth. Is in his DNA. But now, as an official, as a public servant, he's been in top politics in a foreign country, in a white man's land, for a black man to be
And by Ekenekwen Mono, Kunishinesela na Igbo media, boy by si wotero ni yabo osi dio kempa. Master maka ya brief Biafran Prime Minister kwuru n'iru akwụkwọ n'ụbọchị wuru chinketa. Ekefi were ikwu master maka ya brief ndị a niile okwu gasị dị iche iche. Dropọrọ anyị ife iche n'iru akwụkwọ na comment section na Igbo media. Ndị by asị na n'Igbo ya adị na ya dị ka echi ada agwọ ọgwụ. Ise. Thank you and God bless you.